Meet Miss Know-It-All. She knows everything about fashion and makeup. Roshni.
Wow, is that what you guys think of me?
Then we have Miss Experimental, Shraddha. You must have seen her try viral Instagram trends. Oh, remember the Christmas tree brows?
I am just sorry about that.
Then we have Miss Eyes on Fleek, Miss Diva, the glamorous Rhea.
Hello.
We are going to test their knowledge on these bizarre beauty products. Let's see who can figure these out.
Bring it on.
So what do you think this is used for?
Honestly, it looks like a lighter.
This is a shaver.
It's the top of a razor. Probably there's like a place to put the blade in.
So maybe this is a... What is this? This is an eyelash curler. I'll go with that.
Ding ding, right answer.
Am I?
What? I didn't know that. Very fancy.
Also can be used to curl eyelashes.
So what do you think this is used for?
Oh, it's that hand grip.
What do you use this for? Is it a tongue cleaner?
This is like when you're stressing, so you just take this out of your bag and you press it really tightly and it just releases all the tension and all the stress.
It's the thing that you exercise with it.
I'm gonna go with tongue cleaner.
Tough luck guys, it's a facial hair remover.
Really?
Also that, you see, multitasking all the way.
Very fancy. Can I have one?
Let's just move on, guys. This is stupid.
What's this used for?
Oh dear, it looks scary from here.
It looks damn scary to look at it right now.
Oh, the thing that you put to put oil on your eyelash, like castor oil or something.
So this could be the stencil with which you even out both the veins.
Looking at the visual, it looks like it helps you make your crease more defined, is it?
Wow, how do you know that?
Let's just say that I spend a lot of time with my best friend, internet.
Looks like I'm losing.
So what is this product?
What the hell?
This could be a face massager.
This is very beautiful. Again, it looks like something that I could rub on my neck.
So there's something in the flowery thing. I think it's an eyeshadow.
So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with a face massager for this one. Is it right?
Yes, you're right. It's a face roller.
There you go.
There's something unique about this brush. Can you guess what it is?
It's a kabuki brush.
This is a foundation brush.
It looks like the stippling brushes, and I have a feeling that it's one of those brushes which you click, it goes inside and click. Again, a very handy, easy to travel brush.
Oh, probably it has like a battery in the back.
It could be an electric kabuki brush. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that.
Close enough. I can give you the point.
Yeah, it's a brush. Electronic, that's nice, but it's a brush nonetheless, right?
Finally, something.
What do you think this funny looking device is used for?
It looks like a cockroach to me.
This is ugly. It looks like a dead bug.
This could be a tweezer.
This could be your eyebrow shaper.
This could be something that you take your blackheads, that you remove. You could remove your blackheads from one side, and on the other side you could remove whiteheads.
Oh, threading. Okay, so this is used to thread your eyebrows or your mustache.
Wow, way to go, Rhea. Okay, don't freak out, but do you know what this is for?
This is a scary man.
That's a face mask.
Clearly, it's a face mask.
This is a mask when sometimes you're bored and you're just like really sleepy and you want to like zap yourself up. So on your working table, you just put this mask on and you go like, the mask has this, it gives you this tingling on your face and you just wake up and you feel all fresh.
Is it a ghost mask that you use for Halloween or a blackhead remover or a peel off?
I think it's a facial tightening mask or something, a rubber mask or something.
Wow, looks like Shraddha is leading.
But I did say mask initially.
It's a tool which looks like a mask, and apart from your face getting bleached, it also tightens your face.
Can I get like my thug glasses?
I'm sure you can guess this one. It's very easy.
Is a half moon and a liner.
This is, I know for sure what this is.
Is this a silicone brush?
Really, what is it?
or could be a stencil for something.
The area under my eye, I see a lot of dark circles when I haven't slept. So what I do is I keep these tools in the fridge, overnight. And in the morning when I get up, the first thing I do is I put them under my eyes, over my eyes, so it reduces all the puffiness.
Okay, I don't know this.
Come on guys, this is easy. It's a mascara and shadow shield.
Okay, that was interesting. I got to know something new.
What's this used for?
It's a eyebrow cutting scissor.
Eyebrow scissors to just shape them properly. So you comb it out and then you cut them. This is pretty easy, I think.
Oh, this is easy. This is a scissor to trim your eyebrows. Wow, you comb them and then you trim them.
Finally, you guys are catching up. Okay, last one. I know you can do this. Come on.
Oh, this is definitely a thermometer.
This is a facial epilator.
This is an electric toothbrush.
This is not a makeup tool, is it?
Sorry guys, it's an electronic lip scrub.
Who said you can't use it on your teeth after that?
Wow.
Oh, wow. I need a lip scrubber.
So I got 7 out of 10, right?
I got 3 out of 10 right.
Wow, I got 3 right out of 10.
I really hope they don't get more right. I mean, how many did you get right? Please say less than 7, please.
I don't know how many you got. Just comment down below. I still believe that I'm a diva and I still believe that I keep up with the trends. These are just too bizarre for me.
My answers were more bizarre than the product.
Anyway, let us know in the comment section below.
For more such videos,
Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty.